Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Education Tech. Today video we will discuss about a new smartphone that is the iQOO New 10R. Are you looking for a smartphone that delivers flagship level performance at a mid-range price? With the iQOO New 10R, the ultimate gaming and performance based under 27,000. But is it really worth it your money? Let's find out. Stay till the end because I'll reveal a surprising fact about this phone that most people don't know. Before we jump into performance and features, let's take a look at the ports and buttons placement because the small details matter. On the right side, you get the power button and volume rocker. Position well for a comfortable grip. At the bottom, there are USB Type-C charging port, a speaker grill, a microphone, and the SIM card tray. But there is no 3.5 headphone jack. So if you still use wired earphone, you will need a Type-C adapter or wireless earbud. For audio, you get a dual stereo speaker with his resolution audio support, which delivers loud and immersive sound, perfect for gaming and media. And in terms of connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 6, 5G with multiple bands, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring ultra-fast and stable connections. Now, moving on the design, the iQOO New 10R comes in two stunning colors, ragging blue and moonlight titanium. The phone looks premium and feels solid in hand. Now the display is where things get really exciting. 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED screen with a 144 Hz refresh rate. This means ultra smooth scrolling and the incredible gaming experience. And with a peak brightness of 4500 nits, even direct sunlight won't be a problem. Gamers and Bing watchers, this is a treat for you. Now, let's talk about performance. The iQOO Neo 10R is powered by Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, a flagship level processor that delivers a blazing fast speed, whether it's PUBG, BGMI, or Genshin Impact. You get a 90 FPS gaming without lag. And don't worry about the overheating. This phone comes with a 6K VC cooling chambers. So even during long gaming session, it stays cool. Next, let's talk about the cameras. The iQOO Neo 10R features a 50MP Sony sensor with OIS optical image stabilizations for grips and detailed shots. It also has a 8MP ultra wide lens for stunning landscape photos. And for a video lover, it can shoot 4K at 60 fps, perfect for a vlogger and content creator. Battery life is another strong point of this phone. It packs a 6400 mAh battery, which easily lasts more than a day, and with 80-watt fast charging, you get from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. The iQOO Neo 10R runs on FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15. You get a smooth and clean UI with many AI-powered features. For gamers, it even includes an FPS meter, haptic feedback, and a one esports mode for a next-level experience. Now, let's talk about memory and storage because speed matters. The iQOO Neo 10R comes with two RAM variants, 12 GB RAM and 6 GB LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring super fast multitasking and smooth gaming. For storage, you get a two option, 256 GB and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. This means a faster app loading times, quicker data transfer, and long free performance. You can also extend the RAM up to 220 GB for better performance. One thing to note, there are no micro SD card slot, so choose your strong wisely. storage wisely. Now, the most important part pricing the iQOO New 10R stands at 26,999. For this price, you are getting a flagship processor, stunning AMOLED display, amazing cameras, and crazy fast charging. So, should you buy this? If you are gamers or power users, this phone is an no-brainer. But if you want to a stock Android or a more compact device, you may want to consider other options. So, what do you think about the iQOO New 10R? Is it the best phone under 27,000? Let me know in the comment. If you found this video helpful, hit the like buttons and subscribe for more awesome tech content. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep exploring, keep innovating.